Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you connect TikTok Shop with CJ Dropshipping? Well, there's actually two methods to do that, and we're going to be tackling that right now. Okay, so let's just go ahead to the main board here of the Dropshipping, and this is not it. Let's just scroll down with me in here. Okay, so CJ Dropshipping is perhaps one of the top contending partners of TikTok, and I believe I've connected the two like a couple of months ago, but I don't know, it expires, and I'll show you why it expires in a minute. But let's just go ahead to the direct reason why you're watching this video is how to actually connect the two. So in here, just a few tips on where you actually find your seller SKU and your main dashboard, because you could absolutely sell also here. So here's your ID, and I'll show you the differences and the similarities that they both of the platforms have, like TikTok and CJ Dropshipping. That's why they complement each other so well. So to say, let's just go back here to the because you could absolutely sell here via TikTok. My products, you could add stuff there, basically. So just click on the my account, the app and resources, and app sites, app store, and then in here you could basically see the applications that are compatible with your TikTok shop. Okay, so in here we have Big Seller, ShopMate. Let's just find the CJ Dropshipping. It's actually a popular platform. You can just basically search it here. Here we go. Right. So once you click on that, you're going to be routed on the app details. And as you can see, I've already connected this a couple of months ago, it seems, and it's already expired. And you could absolutely reconnect it here, and you could connect it here, basically. So I do believe that this is still free, and let's just try to look up what's absolutely up in here. And you just click on it, install. Reauthorize only. Yeah, if you've already authorized this, if it expires like this one, you can just reauthorize this, and it'll be good as new, basically. So yeah, just click on authorize, and you'll be basically able to connect the two. Okay, just accept their terms and conditions. Okay, authorized, and yeah, that's just basically it. And let's just wait for it to load here. Okay. Oh, the authorization failed on the CJ Dropshipping's end, but on the TikTok end, it's completely operational now, because I do have a verification processes that I still have to go through on my CJ, so it's totally fine. It's on CJ's end, it's not on the TikTok shop's end, since they're already connected. So once you click on the shop now button, and you could basically just treat this as a third-party platform where you could just basically add in products and buy products here on bulk orders, and then you could basically sell retail on your TikTok shop. Okay, catalogs, we have custom packaging, the good stuff. Okay, so we have a lot of bulk orders, especially if you're using this as a third-party platform. Then just go ahead and choose the actual product that comes with wholesale, and you could basically use it via retail on the TikTok shop itself. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. That's basic. So yeah, just disregard this one. It's just commissioner fee, fulfillment display. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's basically it. Just click on renew, and then it'll be connected. Well, mine says renew because I've already connected this like a couple of months ago. But if you're new to connecting, you're yet to connect it, then you'll see the connect button there, and that's just basically it. And once your product is on hand, your third-party product, you can just go ahead and add your products to the basic information. Upload your product here. Let's say, for example, you're uploading a product off the bat that you got from CJ Dropshipping. Let's say this camera right here. You got this from CJ, and you try to resell this at a little bit higher price on the TikTok shop domain. Then you could basically just add a photo here. Let's just scroll down a little bit here, and in here you could add the product name. Again, this is just basic drop shipping method. Okay, and add your product name here. The minimum is like 21 letters, so please don't miss that out. What else? Category. What sort of category of the products you're trying to sell. The basics, basically. Since we are selling a camera here, let's just scroll down here a little bit. Okay. Since we're selling a camera, so where does this fall to? Computers and equipment? No, it's actually phones and electronics. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, just go ahead and select. Once you've selected this one, you can just basically add in the labels, and then you're basically good to go from there. You can click submit on review, and once you submit on review, you can just basically wait for 48 hours before they actually give you notifications whether your product selling is approved or not on TikTok, because they are really strict when it comes to reviewing a bunch of products. So I do recommend trying to be honest about the description so that you wouldn't have any trouble on the actual selling of your product. Okay, so yeah, this is basically it, guys. So that's how you incorporate CJ Dropshipping and connect it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and you guys have a nice day.